Hello everyone, welcome to my kitchen recipes. In this video I'll be showing how to make oatmeal date smoothie. Ingredients are shown in this video and also in the description box. For making an oatmeal date smoothie, heat a pan in low heat and add half cup of oats. Dry roast oats in low heat till it slightly changes colors and turns aromatic. Turn off the heat. Transfer the dry roasted oats to the blender. Add 10 to 15 soaked and peeled almonds. Half cup of chopped dates. Grind it into a coarse powder. Pour half cup of cold milk and half cup of water. Add half teaspoon of cinnamon powder and blend them together smoothly. Add 1/4 cup of milk or water and adjust the consistency. Pour it in a serving glass. Garnish with the chopped almonds and is ready to serve. Thank you for watching this video and please subscribe to my kitchen recipes. Thank you.